What's going on, folks? Welcome back to the Lawn Shark channel, winter edition. Yeah, it's actually really cold today, and we've got some work to do in the yard to do some cleanup. But before we get started, I wanted to give you guys a quick reminder. For those of you that don't know, I do have a second YouTube channel called The Shark Shed. In fact, it was started because of that shed back there that we built last year before. And so I figured I'd create a second YouTube channel for home improvement type projects and woodworking. I actually really do enjoy doing quite a bit of woodworking and everything else. And so that was the purpose of that YouTube channel. And I recently put out a new video. I haven't done one in a while, but I put out a new video on some office shelving that I put in my house. And so I wanted to share that with you guys. I'll put a link up in the eye over here so that if you guys want to check it out, and I'll put it in the description as well. But just thought I'd remind everybody I do have a second YouTube channel, and winter is when I start putting in some videos in there. So go check it out if you have a chance, and if that's the type of stuff you really like. So anyway, so today we are going to actually do a little mowing. Believe it or not, it's supposed to be a high of 40 today, and I think by Christmas we're supposed to be a high of below 30. So believe it or not, I am going to mow because the last couple weeks we had some really rainy weather, and we have some good growth in the yard, and especially here in the front with perennial ryegrass. In fact, I'll show you what that looks like. And also the beauty of it is I don't have to blow a bunch of leaves because we're done with that. But anyway, let me show you how the front looks. We're getting some really good growth here. I mean, you can see where the Bermuda is dormant and where we didn't get some good coverage, but as far as the rest of the front here, it's looking pretty darn nice. So we'll get the mower out here and do a quick little cleanup. And then in the back, I'll show you that real quick. So in the back, it's looking pretty good. I mean, we do have to do a little bit of cleanup. There's not a lot of leaves back here. I'll just bag everything and pull up all the leaves, and then that should take care of everything. But it's green and it's looking really good. It's not growing as fast, so it's not as tall. But yeah, I mean, we can do a little bit of a mow and a little bit of cleanup, and we'll be good to go. So let's get to that and get back inside where it's warm, because it is a little chilly out here. We are done, and I have to say I love perennial ryegrass. I mean, I'm really glad that we have Bermuda now, but this perennial ryegrass is just outstanding. Even when it's 40 degrees outside, you still get those beautiful stripes, and it's just such a nice lawn. Whew. All right, let's take a look at the back. All right, so back here it's looking pretty good. So this is also Bermuda here, and that's the fescue, but you can see right here the fescue starting to come through the Bermuda. I don't think the Bermuda is going to do well back here because we do get a lot of shade even in the summertime. But yeah, we're working on that. Now, this little border I'm going to change out, and we're going to be working on that pretty soon. I may wait until it's a little bit warmer, sometime in February, to do that. And then I'm also going to do the same thing over here on this flower bed and make it a little bit nicer. And then the other place that we're going to be doing that is up along the hill right back there, which we did a lot of work on last year, and I think it looks really great, but I think it needs a little bit more stuff over there as far as flowers and a border. So we'll be working on that next. All right, well, that's pretty much it. I mean, it really is a beautiful day. It's chilly, and like I said, it's going to get cold here real quick, but it was kind of nice to get out here in the cool weather and throw on some warm clothes and get a little bit of a mow in. But no more leaves. I think we're all done with that, and the little bit that I was able to pick up just takes care of everything. So we'll see what comes up next. Probably the next thing that we'll be working on is some projects around the lawn. And then I'm also working, like I said earlier, I'm working on the Shark Shed videos. I have a few projects that I'm putting together for that video. The latest one is the office shelves, which is out right now. Like I said, I'll put that in the description down below, and I'll probably link it at the very end of the video as well. I definitely like doing woodworking as well, and we also got some home improvement projects that we'll be putting out there. So if that's the kind of stuff you like, go check it out. And if you want to know how I built that shed back there, that's a whole series on that channel as well. And that's pretty much how that channel started. So anyway, hopefully you guys like this video. And if you like it, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And if I've earned your subscription, and if you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell. And we will see you on the next one. Probably won't be anytime soon, but you never know. Have a great one. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to everybody. And stay safe, enjoy your time with your families.